Jane Bennett Clark with Kiplinger's Personal Finance, and I'll be your guide on a tour of Seattle, Washington. This smart, green, innovative place ranks second on our list of best cities for the next decade. One of the area's great strengths is biomedical research, so our tour begins in the South Lake Union neighborhood, a newly developed center for medicine, global health, and biotech companies. Here, researchers come together to find treatments for some of the world's toughest health problems, including malaria, tuberculosis, and HIV. The research may be cutting edge, but work on a malaria vaccine, which has the potential to save millions of lives, starts with the obvious: mosquitoes. Where do Seattle's smart people come from? Start with the University of Washington, a research behemoth that attracts top students from around the world. Founded in 1861, it's one of the oldest public universities on the West Coast. Here's Seattle's spectacular public library. Seattle is proud of its reputation as one of the country's most literate communities. The library's indoor garden and clean tech infrastructure showcase the city's green sensibility. You can't live in Seattle or visit here without making your way to the Pike Place Public Market, where the fruit, flowers, and fish are downright glorious. And have I mentioned the coffee? Seattle gave the world Starbucks. Starbucks gave the world white chocolate mocha frappuccinos. Seattle's music scene includes everything from pop to blues to jazz to hip-hop to some good old banjo picking. The Experience Music Project / Science Fiction Museum lets visitors explore the DNA of rock and other weird science all in one place. But when the sun shines in this notoriously rainy city, who wants to go inside? Not these kids. I'm Jane Bennett Clark, soaking up the rays and enjoying the scene in Seattle, Washington, Kiplinger's second-ranked best city for 2010.